would say, can one really make money from the digital marketing space or from content creation? I'll tell you a story about Toby, Elijah. About 3 years ago, during the change of leadership, I was made the drama coordinator for the Joy Company in my church. And when I got to the very first meeting, I called the ESCO meeting. I told the people, as a member of Joy Company in the church, among all the service units, in fact, you are supposed to be one of the richest. They were like, how? I said, because naturally you are a content creator. You have flair for acting, you have flair for doing drama, and that is why you are in Joy Company. So why don't you think of a way of monetizing these skills? So what did I do? I tried to create as much support I could. Bought a camera. I called a friend, Salifu, and he came and was really willing to shoot free content for anybody that was willing to just subscribe. In fact, we got somebody to professionally write scripts for us, and we shot a few short films. And I started hinting on content creation. Of course, you know, definitely there is work to be done, and people just want ready-made job. That is why some persons are even till old age, they are stuck to 9 to 5, because they just want a form of assurance, like, okay, by the end of the month something must come in. So Toby, he took the initiative and he started doing his YouTube channel, and he's somebody that is very spiritual. So he was just doing praying in tongue, speaking, chanting, and the likes. Put music, and I think it was even a faceless channel. It was a faceless channel. His face wasn't showing. And what? He got monetized and he started making money. As at the last time I reached out to him, surprisingly, his channel has grown to over 100,000 subscribers. And there is no month that he doesn't make at least $300. You see, convert $300 using whatever exchange rates you have, naira to naira, you discover that that is some very good money, at least about 400,000 and above. And that is what he makes. As at the last time I checked, I know by now it must have passed that. You see, there is money in content creation. There is a lot. Apart from that, apart from the money, there is a sense of fulfillment, and there are a lot of things you would learn. So, all through the month of June and all through this month, I will be teaching you useful skills you need to learn so that you can monetize these skills, and these skills can even pay for you can pay your way to any part of the country. It can become a very good source of living for you. So if you want to learn these skills, comment the word content. Drop that word content in the comment section and I will send you link. Now, I will give you access to materials you can buy, and you can even sell as affiliates and you make money. That is just by the way and one way of making money. There are so many skills that has been taught and are inside this particular material I'm talking about. You can pick a niche, focus on that particular niche, and I tell you, give it time, put in the work, you will begin to see massive return on your investment. So drop the comments, content now, and I will send you this link. If you like this video, or you want to know more about studying abroad or how to make money online with digital marketing products, just subscribe to our channel, share to the people that will need it. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.